Mangalore traffic, IFR Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor rolling. Runway 18 for an upwind departure to Moorabbin, Mangalore. Okay, let's go. Feet off the brakes, full power. Body. Feeds alive, oil temperatures and pressures. 60, up we go. Bravo Sierra Victor with departure.
Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor passing 2,000, climbing 7,000 for Moorabbin, tracking to intercept the Mangalore lacy track.
Bravo Sierra Victor, roger, you're identified, area connect 1026.
1026, Bravo Sierra Victor. Okay, so we are tracking direct to Sierra Alpha from a long way out. Sierra Alpha is 42 miles away, so we skipped the Lacey Steps, Lacey Colds Harrow, and he gave me direct Sierra Alpha. And we're sitting right on top of this cloud at 7,000, doing 116 through the air. Airspeed, 94 over the ground. Nice sitting up here on top of the fluff. Bumpy in it. We'll get up here before we turn the cameras off and see what it is. It's -1. We're not in cloud, so we no problem about icing or pitot heat. And pitot heat, 0 degrees.
Hammond 398 is 21 miles south of Dosal, resume my navigation, clear direct Dosal.
Clear direct Dosal, ambulance 398.
Reduce speed to 170 knots.
170, Qantas 473.
Bravo Sierra Victor, descend to 4,000.
Descend to 4,000, Bravo Sierra Victor.
Altitude. Altitude.
Approach, g'day, QJet 1554, descending 9,000, information, Oscar.
QJet 1554, approach, g'day.
0302, November India Whiskey.
November Kilo Delta traffic, VFR, November Papa Sierra, currently 1 mile in your 1 o'clock, right to left, showing 3,000 feet.
Looking for traffic, traffic started, November Kilo Delta.
November Kilo Delta. November Papa Sierra, there's 2 VFR aircraft out on your left hand side, both showing, well, one showing 3,100, one showing 3,500.
Copy traffic, November Papa Sierra.
Stage. 2 stages and turn. 5 knots, 100 feet.
Bravo Sierra Victor, cleared to land.
Clear to land, Bravo Sierra Victor. Knots. And up with the runway, or thereabouts, 500 feet.
Bravo Quebec November, you got Bravo Lima Echo out to your left hand side, I think, who's also inbound for the Southern Apron. He has you in sight.
Traffic sighted, Bravo Quebec November.
Bravo Quebec November.